friends, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be unboxing my very first purchase from Valentino Beauty Pure. Now I'm gonna go over really quick what I purchased, how I purchased it, how much did it cost me, and also I'll be swatching it in this same video. So if you guys are here just for the swatch, you can go ahead and forward. But yeah, pretty much what I ordered was the beginner's kit and the nail prep dehydrator. Now the reason being the dehydrator, like a separate purchase, is because it is not included in their beginner's kit. So yeah, just if you guys are expecting for that to come in the kit, it does not come in there. Just, you know, if you were interested to like purchase it, whatever. Pretty much this is how it comes packed. Everything was nice. Everything came perfectly fine, which shout out to Valentino. Thank you so much for your good service. And they shipped so freaking fast. I was so amazed. So yeah, well, I mean, I do live in New Jersey and I believe they come from Florida, so that's not too far, I'm gonna say. But yeah, I got really fast shipping, and the cost of everything together was $98.41. I did went ahead and purchase this through Quadpay. So if you guys don't know what Quadpay is, it's just an app where you pay in 4 installments. So this is an 8-ounce nail liquid monomer that comes in the kit. So yeah, I was really stunned because usually when you buy any beginner's kit from any other brand, not to be petty or anything like that, but just speaking on the truth, you get smaller sizes. And then I'll go ahead and point that out for you guys really quick here. But really quick, going back to how much I paid, like I said, I paid it in 4 installments. So $24.60 each installment. So basically you paid off that way. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys these two side by side, the Super Bond and the dehydrator. Super Bond is just your primer. I was expecting again to have like smaller sizes in the kit, but no, they are full sizes, so you really do get your money's worth. And it does include your top coat, LED gel top coat. So yeah, and this is the clear, so I was absolutely excited because of that. It does include one glitter, and I believe every kit comes with the same glitter. It isn't a random glitter, so just so you guys know. And then we also have in the kit a clear and then a cover. So this is the crystal clear and this is the cover. So this one is Bad and Bougie, I believe. So yeah, if you guys are interested, go ahead and download the app Quadpay and go ahead and make your purchase, because I really feel like this is an amazing deal. So just really quick, so you guys get that visual of what the sizes look like, and then my full purchase. So this is everything that came, and let's go ahead and swatch. So I'm not gonna obviously swatch a clear color for you guys, but I did go ahead and encapsulate this glitter for you so that you get a visual of what the clear looks like. And I really think that it is a really good clear because you don't see any air bubbles in it, which is what I always look out for. And then also I'm going to show you guys after it's set, once it turns like matted out, you can still see through it, which is what I always look for when I'm like trying any other brand or anything like that. So yeah, that's how you know that you have a good clear in your hands. So here you guys can see how it's matted out, and you can still see how great the glitters look. So just imagine when I go ahead and put that top coat over it. So there you have it. Really nice glitter, very beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch for you guys this cover, and I'm going to purposely do 2 beads, one on the drier side and one like on the runnier side, just to see how they work. And I was absolutely amazed how, you know, even though I picked up a pretty big dry bead, I was able to mold it into place. So that's a plus. They are pretty much self-leveling, I would say, because I didn't have to, how do you say, like struggle to put it into place. It was just so easy to apply. So yeah, that's that. And then let's go ahead and try out their glitters. So this is the glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys as well. So my first impressions with the glitter, I was amazed. I really think that this is one of those type of glitters where you probably don't even have to encapsulate it. That's how good it is. So yeah, and look how beautiful that looks. I'm also going to go ahead and do an ombre. Every time I get like any new brand of products, I like to swatch and play around with them just to get a good feel. So yeah, it's really good for you guys to play around with your new products so that you get an idea of how it works and things like that. So just have fun with it. Then I'm going to go ahead and also go over these swatches with the top coat. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this and see the viscosity. So I'm usually one of those nail techs that I like the thin, like that thinner viscosity of gel. This one wasn't, it wasn't thick and it wasn't thin. I think it was like right in between. I absolutely love that. The only thing that I did notice was the brush. The brush was a lot smaller than what I'm used to using, but that really isn't a problem for me. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out just in case. So as you guys can see, very easy to apply. I literally applied this with like, what, 3 strokes. So really good gel top. So definitely am just dying to try this out with like a client or on myself. So look how beautiful that looks. We're gonna go ahead and cure this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the cover looks. And again, you guys can see how good the gel top is. So yep, very easy to apply, and there you have it. So I did leave for last the one that I did encapsulate, just so you guys can see the difference between the one that was encapsulated and the one that wasn't. So there you guys have it. It was not much of a difference, which was pretty amazing. So there you guys have it. Their clear is amazing. If you're looking for a really good clear to encapsulate, Valentino is the way to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you in my next video.